Hi, everybody. This is Steve Maggi. Welcome to Building Your Bridge, where we talk to experts and professionals that work with international investors and international entrepreneurs that want to come to the US. And it's my honor to have as my guest Patrick Findaro, one of the founders of Visa Franchise. Thanks for coming on, Patrick. We've known each other for a while, so it's nice to finally do this.
Exactly. We've been talking about for some time now. Thanks a lot, Steve.
Absolutely. Talking about expectations, I think part and parcel of that is not only setting them lower so you know that it's going to be a grind and it could take a long time to get your money back. Obviously, you're also trying to protect your investment in terms of your immigration status for using it for a visa. But besides the choice, let's say besides making the wrong choice in an investment, assuming you've made a good choice, what are other reasons that these businesses are failing?
Great question. So there are some businesses that it really depends, not just in the neighborhood, zip code, or city that you're in, but what street you're on.
Mm,
So you're opening up an ice cream shop, you're opening up a restaurant, and it's changing now with delivery and takeout, but you're opening up something that's an impulsive good or purchase. You
location,
better have the
location,
right
location.
location.
Mm,
Or if you're a business that really relies on visibility, like a nail salon or other type of health related businesses like fitness centers, you better have good visibility where people are driving by or walking by and recognize your brand. Because yes, you can get people in the door with Google ads, Facebook ads, and direct mailing. But a lot of businesses do rely a lot on visibility, and
yeah.
especially in the food space and anything that's related to ice cream or smoothies, frozen desserts. That's an purchase that someone's walking by and it's just going to go in. Coffee, similar thing. How far are you going to drive to get a cup of coffee?
So location is also
Minutes,
important
5
now
minutes.
because of what we've been going through with COVID and going forward. There could be other things that I think you need to foolproof your investment a little bit more. And if you're choosing hospitality, you have to know that the risk is much higher, right? I know that in Florida, we have offices in Florida and New York. There's a lot more business going on in the restaurants in Florida than there is in New York because of the pandemic and because of the regulations in every state. So you also have to be hypersensitive
Now with
now
outdoor seating,
what's happening.
right now outdoor seating is huge. Where our office is right off Lincoln Road in Miami Beach, and you have some restaurants that they have. It seems like they have more capacity than before, where they've taken on like the whole street, and it might have been a pizzeria with only 8 tables, and now they have like 12 tables outside.
So this
So
is where you come in to advise the client and say, not only is it important with the location, make sure the supply demand is there, that there's still room in the market, but also even if you were in love with this idea of having a pizzeria, like you said, maybe you think about something else that's not going to be hit as hard by these things that are upon us now. And as we know, this is 2021 now. These things could have a long-lasting effect on a lot of these industries, especially the restaurant industry.
yeah, so I think definitely the industry you choose will change a lot in terms of we look at the loan success ratios of different industries, and
Hmm.
like for food and beverage, it's as low as for every 4 loans that are paid in full, one is charged off, basically defaults. Where you look at other industries like real estate property and management, and it's more than 10 to 1. I think it's like 15 to 1.
Wow.
Or real estate related businesses and home service businesses too are like